Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals. There's a lot to go over, so sit back and relax. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works. Platform by subscribers and likes. Yes guys, don't cheapen out on these masks. Protect yourselves at all times, especially from that dust. If you're in the trades, if you're cutting something, make sure you don't breathe that in. Make sure you buy the best ones. The N95s 3M are the better ones. They're on sale for $20. Alright, so they got these Cobalt toolboxes for $199. Pretty much bare bones on these. They don't even have some shocks. Maybe you can put some shocks in there. Alright, so they got the flexes. These are the new flexes, the new darker boxes with the quick eject kit. $279. That's all. These come with the new lithium stack batteries. Like, they do have a 3.5 amp hour, and then they have a 6 amp hour, and then they have a 10 amp hour. So some of these do come like with the 10 amp hour. The saw does come with the 10 amp hour, by the way. You got the hammer drill here. This is the turbo. Does come with the $279. Then you got the rear handle circular saw. I believe it comes with the 10. $399. And then you got that nice 4-tool combo kit there at the bottom for $649. Remember guys, you guys can get those combo kits cheaper online. They are giving you the buy more save more, so make sure you guys check that out, if you're interested in the flex line. Alright, you got the buy one get one free here. So you buy any of those tools, get a free 5 amp hour battery. You got the, what is that, 1/4 inch impact driver. I believe that's the 887. Yeah, 887. And then you got the 1/2 inch impact wrench. That's it right there for $199. You got the light there for $210. Oscillating tool, and then you got the circular saw. Then you got the fan there for $139. You got a charger. Looks like a 4-port charger. $279. From the DeWalt's, you got the reciprocating saw, $139, and then you got the free battery there to the right. That's the one you're going to be getting for free if you buy any of these tools. So definitely check it out if you're in the line. They got this titanium 21 piece for $24.98, down from $34.98. I always like to go with titanium. They always seem to last a little bit longer. This is a really nice kit. Does come with a lot of bits. Alright, so $169. This is the drill with the power stack. And then you got the drill and impact driver there with the combo. I believe it's $279. Then this is the battery, guys. This thing's huge. This is a 6 amp hour battery. This is really big. Like, check this out. It's really big. And here's the drill. Same thing with the 6 amp hour battery. Yeah, these are heavy and massive. So I don't know if you're gonna be carrying this all day with the 6 amp hour. They still running these deals, guys. This one's running low. This Lowe's is running low on these. So if you guys have these, make sure you guys pick them up. These are great deals. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy that $199 kit impact driver drill driver. You get any of those on the right free tools. Pretty good deals. You get the one-handed reciprocating saw, the circular saw. There's just a lot to choose from there. Alright, the vacuum from $129 down to $99. And they got these 2-tool combo kits. These are mostly brush tools, Craftsman days. They got a 6-tool combo kit, $199. And they got impact driver, drill driver, $69 each. So they're just depending on what you want. Most of these, like I said, are brush tools. So they're very entry level DIY type. Same thing with this drill here. And then the same thing with this 6-tool combo kit for $199. I mean, it's pretty decent deal because it does include the oscillating tool and the reciprocating saw. You got the two 10-inch 40 tooth for $44.98. You got this drywall cutter tool, and you got the screwdriver or screw gun. $249 down for $299. And this is the combo. Does come with batteries and chargers, or a charger. They still got this, like I said on the previous. They got the buy one get one free still, and most of the tools are here. They're not at the for the DeWalt Extreme. And the kit that you're supposed to buy, it's down at the bottom. So it's the $199 kit. And same thing with this one. You buy one tool and get one starter kit for free. And they got some good deals here for the 12 volts. So they got a 2-tool combo kit, 12 volts for $99 and for $169. Looks like that's it. And they got this one. This one's the brushless. So they got the brushless 12 volts 2-tool combo kit for 2 amp hour, $149. And I got the battery for $69 from $89, the 6 amp hour. And then $139 from $159, half-an-inch compact drill driver. We got an impact driver for $149 from $169. I got the impact wrench at $179 down from $229. This one's actually lower than the other tag that we saw later in this video. Half-an-inch hammer drill, $99. They got this pretty good deal, 21-piece screwdriver and bit set. Well, this is actually, my bad. This is a deal that, or a tool that I haven't seen before. I haven't seen this style. Usually they come with the hard case, but this one does come with like a little pouch. All right, this one's pretty good. This was the jigsaw blades, 14-piece, for $797, down from $19.98. It's pretty, really good price. If you guys see the difference, this one's a 10-piece. It does have less, and it's $9.98, so it's more and it has less. So, all right, they got this one. This one's the Craftsman radio and charger. I do have this radio, it's a beast. $60 down from $199. This is a good deal if you guys can still find it at your Loves. Be sure to check it out. It's a big red square, basically Craftsman. Got a 2-pack shaker here for $129. It's the 3 amp hour batteries, down from $179. Alright, you got the clearance, a triple hammer 2.5. This is 36 volt tool, $167 down from $279. That's it right there. I have this thing. This thing's a beast. If you guys want to check out my video, I'll see if I can link some up above for you guys. $9.98. This is a small bit set from Metabo HPT. Yeah, they got the new ones already, so they're gonna start clearing out the older stuff. Alright, so they got the Metabo 18-inch impact driver and hammer drill kit. And you get a free choice of a tool, and then there's the item number there, so 6568, ending with the 6568. So that's it right there. It's $249. That is a triple hammer, guys. And then you get the 2 batteries, IP56 rated, top of the line impact driver with the triple hammer. Alright, so they got this one for $99, down from $149. This is a drill driver, 18 volt brushless. And they got a nice combo kit for $129, down from $179. This is entry level. It doesn't say brushless, so it's probably not brushless. So you got the subcompact drill kit, $99, down from $129. You got the impact driver, $119, down from $169. You got the half-an-inch drill kit, $99, down from $149. You got this 6 amp reciprocating saw. It looks like a wall. You connect this to the wall or with an extension. $79. $69 for the die grinder, bare tool, 24 volts clearance. That's it right there. And then they got this drywall cut tool. Tool only, $59, down from $99. So cobalts. And then they got the 18-gauge shear attachment, $59.98. A lot of you have been asking me about this one. I might end up just grabbing it and making a video. But yeah, it should be universal fit for any drill or impact driver, any brand. I got this impact driver. Looks like a brushed, $69. It's pretty much the same stuff that was on the Craftsman end cap that we saw previous. So it's just a different. We're just showing you guys the Craftsman section here for you guys. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free. So you buy that kit, the 4 amp hour battery starter kit, you get any other tools on the right for free. So definitely worth it. You got the fan, you got the one-handed reciprocator, you got the new Bluetooth speaker, you got the job site blower, you got the oscillating tool. That is the oscillating tool there. Looks like it does have a lever on the top, so and it does include some accessories in a bag. It looks like it. And that is the one-handed reciprocating saw. That is not included with this deal, I believe. It looks like the impact wrench. This one is the sander, 89 bucks, Ballot at 89. And you got the reciprocating saw again. Seems like they got a lot of these in this store. Just trying to get rid of them. Alright, so they got some good deals here. I really like that 4-piece Stinger power bit set. $12.98. It seems to be a pretty decent deal. I already got too many of these. So I just didn't want to pick up any more. But at $12.98, that's a pretty good deal for that. The rest, I have no idea how they work. All I used is the spade bits and the auger bits. So spade bits been okay. I mean, they take a beating, but you know eventually they wear out. So it's like anything else. $99 your choice here. You got the 1/4 inch hex or the square inch impact driver kit. So it is universal. It'll turn into both of those. You got the hammer drill kit, 1/2 inch there at the bottom, or you can get the this one's the impact wrench, by the way, the one we saw for $179 over there. So I don't know, guys, you might want to take a picture of the other tag if you guys really want this. It looks like a beast, guys. It looks like great for the DIY. Instead of having something like this, you know, just have that gun. You got the 6-gallon portable air Pancake compressor with it looks like some accessory kit there with some hoses, a hose. You got some pliers set there. Pretty nice plier set for 12 bucks. Actually, not too bad, guys. Might be a good thing for some spare tool bag, you know. Or if you guys buy like a socket set, you can have that and, you know, have some pliers on that tool bag. And then they got this drill bit, speed fit, with the speed fit accessory, 24 bucks. That's pretty nice, pretty complete kit. $14.98 for the 3 lockable utility knife set. And you got the groove joint here, the 3-piece. So $16.98 for this one. They got the hammer and the pry bar. $19.98, pretty decent deal. And then they got the scissors and the chalk with the refill kit. $14.98, not too bad. They got this one. This was 299 piece. Does include a lot of sockets, guys. Not longer sockets. Mostly are just regular shallow sockets. There are a few deep well or deep sockets, whatever you want to call it. It does have 3 ratchets though, so pretty nice big kit there. $12.98 for the 65-piece bit set. Not too bad actually. A couple bucks off from this one. It does have a Tic Tac case, and it does have like a magnetic sleeve with the guide. Some 3-inch bits, 1-inch bits. Alright, yeah, they're pushing this one. It seems like this one's the one that they're trying to push out. But yeah, for the professional, this thing would not work. I would say mostly for the house, nothing else. Seems to be pretty decent. I feel it does feel like the brushless version, but guys, clearance, lots of clearance. Yes, Bosch clearance, more clearance. $77 down from $129, as it does include a 2 amp hours as drill driver, 1/2 inch drill driver. Got a bunch of these here and then they got the Freak, guys. I think this one's the much better deal. This is the impact wrench. Excuse me, impact wrench Freak with the bonus pack, $119. It does include like a kit there to the right. I'll show you guys the details in a minute. And I got this one. This one's dust extraction port. I don't know why this is so expensive. I know this is I think it's on the wrong section there. And then I got the SDS. Yeah, we've been getting these on clearance for like the past year. So you guys might want to double check the price on this. This did not have a tag, but you can double check the price on your lobes. And then I got this one. This one's $140 down from $279. I mean, so far these are mostly displays, older displays. This one's pretty decent at 35 bucks, down from 79. It's not too bad. It's 50% off, so, or less than 50. So it does have that lever. That's DeWalt DNA on that one for you. So I'm really liking that toolless blade change on that. And then they got the circ saw here for 35. And then they got this circ saw here for 75, down from one, looks like 129, 179. Sorry, it's hard to see, but it's not too bad. It does include a blade. Alright, so they got the Bosch here on this side. This one does not include a blade, but seems to be a little bit cleaner or less used than the other one. It's hard to get a focus with this. 149 down from 249. And I got the vacuum. This is the Bosch Vacuum. $100 down from 139. I'm pretty sure, you know, these are gonna drop because it's hard to sell them like that. But yeah, these are really, really good, and they have a bunch of these here. So I don't know if you guys want to check it out. It does include some socket set, guys. Impact socket sets, and it looks like a drill bits adapter set there, or sets. So 268 for this one, 242 down from 269. So 268 piece. And then they got this one, 121 piece. It looks pretty nice. It does have 3 ratchets, down from to 119, down from 189. And then got this one, 159 piece. It does include 3 pretty big socket set. And then here's another one, $79, down from 126, 81 piece. This is a gunmetal chrome. And they got this one for $49, down from $69.98. So there's a lot of these on sale. There's one of these kits that actually had a free box with it. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but make sure you guys go to my channel, and if it's still up, make sure you guys buy that, because I believe it was like $59. It was something like this, $59, and you get a free metal toolbox with some drawers. So be sure to check that out. You got $9.98 for the 7-piece reciprocating saw blade set and the 10-piece jigsaw. So that 14 piece that was $7 back there, I think it's a much better deal still. They got the Bosch Simple Solutions here. They got the blade changes made easy. Buy one, get one free. This is a big deal they got going on. I did not see any angle grinders. I was going to pick up this angle grinder, but I did not. So, and I do have a battery, so this would have been perfect. So 149, they got the X-Lock Bear Tool angle grinder, or the Starlock Bear Tool oscillating tool. And you get a free starter kit. It's a 4 amp hour starter kit with a nice charger. So yeah, that is it right there. It does have the new, I believe, the newer cells in them. Not the stackable or anything like that. It's just the newer 21700 cells, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong at the comment section. So, and those are the X-Lock, just like the Makitas, by the way. 129 scale, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, 2 horsepower speed corded router. So you got $79 down from 119. And then they got the Bosch for $79. That's it right there, in case you guys are interested in it. They got the 8 1/4 table saw, DeWalt's. You guys know it's solid. So $329 down from $390. I mean, it's not the terrible deal. There's been some instances where you guys could get this for like $350 and get a free table saw stand, rolling table saw stand, I believe. So if you guys want to wait around for that to come back, it might come back, it might not. It might be a little bit more expensive. All right, so they got the $99 your choice here, or $169 for both. This is the legendary 840, not the drill, the impact driver. This one's it. Yes, guys, this is the legendary 840. This is one of the strongest DeWalt's impact drivers out there by DeWalt, even for the other brands too. So one of the strongest, not the strongest, but one of the strongest. Be sure to check out my video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make for 2 review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.